Hello boys and girls, welcome to another video. So we actually have these eggs from Target. They actually have this, like I think they have this last week. I just couldn't post a video. And look at that, he's already opening it. Alright boys and girls, this is the new Kinder Joy Easter egg edition. So I'm excited. We'll see, there's like a special Easter toy inside. Is he gonna be able to open it? Yeah, I think so. Here you go. Here, let me get it. Oh, there you go.
Look.
What is that? Oh, look at that. It shows now where the toy is at. What do you have? Ah! Whoa, it's a bunny rabbit. A bunny rabbit. That is... Oh, that is nice. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, what do he have over there? Oh, another. Oh, I was gonna say, this is a bee.
Look at the bus.
Nice. It looks like a bug. It is a bug. Alright, boys and girls. So this is the ladybug one. This is the rabbit one. I think I lost the sticker. This is so cute. Look at that. He looks so funny. Oh, he got a glass at the back. Look at that. This is the ladybug. I wasn't able to close it. It's too hard right now. Maybe I'll put it back later. But this is the first two. Alright, let's open up another one. Oh. Oh wow. I have a bumblebee. So that's the bee. That's a bee for you. It looks so cute though. Oh, it keeps falling down. Ah! It fell. Oh no! You got. Oh, look at that. I need to put it together. Bee, we're gonna go put it together. Let's see what this is gonna have this time.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see.
That's cool.
Oh, sorry.
Spoon.
Oh, we got another ladybug. Look at that. We're gonna. Oh, another bee. We got another bee, and Eli's trying to open that one. Another bee. And what? Let me see, Eli. No. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh yeah, there's a new Chucky song.
What's spoon?
Oh yeah, and then I need to open this one again. Let's see what is inside. Oh wow! Wow, it's a green one. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's a frog. It's a frog. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Well, I think it is some hybrid. I mean, that's cute though. Well, where's the theme so far? It keeps falling. So that's what we got so far. Oh, look, we have a cheek. We have a cheek. I was like,
Look at that.
oh yeah, hold on. I
Big
think
dog.
I need to put the cheek together. I need to.
Look.
I see that.
Look at that.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that. Look.
Hey, look at that. She looks so cute. It's empty. This one. Open this. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what we're gonna get this time, because we got the rest of the characters. Oh wow, something new. What could this guy be? It's a purple bunny. Is it purple? Oh, it's a sheep, or it's a blue sheep, or a dog. I don't know. I think it's a dog, a blue dog. All right, let me go ahead and build it up. It looks like a dog to me. Hey, look at that. It rotates. Look. It's so cute. The dog rotates. Oh. Nice. Alright, now. What does he have? Let's see. It is a toy. Ah, we got another one. Another puppy. So we got this brown, light brown puppy together with the blue puppy. So we have pairs now. Nice. We open up one more. We'll open. Oh, no, that's the one where that brown doggy comes from. Alright, let me open this. Open up another one.
One spoon.
Oh, wow. Okay. Like, you can do this. Look, we can just, you can tear it down like that. Alright, like this. Look, like that. Look. Yeah. Oh, I got a yellow again. Ooh. Whoa, another bumblebee. So we have another extra bumblebee. There's 3 bumblebees now. Oh, hey. Oh, another rabbit. Haha. What the? Oh. Okay, it's gone. I know it comes with a. Oh, we got another bug. We got another froggy. Okay, so we got 2 froggies now. Yeah, we got another bunny. Oh, we got another blue doggy. We got blue doggy. I'm just building this frog. We got 2 frogs. We got 2 blue doggos. I'll just call it a dog. I'm not quite sure what it is anyway. And we got tons of candy over there. Oh. What is that? Oh. Oh, wow. Another chicken. Yay, another cheeky. We get another cheeky. Yay. Yeah. So we get another cheeky. So that's the whole entire squad. Let me see. Hey, got more. Look at that. We got 3 bees, 3 doggos, 2 froggies, 2 ladybugs, or I don't know, some sort of bug. Oh yeah, I think that's ladybug. This is 2 rabbits, 2 chicks. Yeah, I think that's what it is. And Eli over there eating. It's like this. These eggs are colorful. I don't wanna. Thank you. This one. Let me see. And this one. Like. And there's another one. I think. Yeah. That's how it looks like. They have different colored one. It looks so cute. Oh. Haha. Wow, that is a lot of
Video.
He's over there. Eli, come here. Sit down. Sit down on the ground. Good job. I mean, sit down. Eli, sit down, please. Eli, get up, Baba. Oh, he's laying down. It's okay.
You guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Chucky rocks! Whoa! Whoa! That was a lot.
Good job, Shinoda. Good job. Hey.
Eli, you did good. Come on.
Don't stop.